So today we are having this question which is saying Mary has 21 coins whose total value is 72. There are two as many 5 shillings coins as there are 10 shilling coins. The rest are 1 shilling coin. Find the number of 10 shilling coin Mary has. 3 marks. So start by writing here what we have. So Mary has 21 coins. The total number of coins is 21, whose value is 72. There are two as many 5 shilling coin as there are 10 shilling coins. So let us give this 10 shilling coin to be x. So let's use x. So in the 5 shilling coin, will be twice. There are two as many 5 shilling coins as there are 10 shilling coins. So this is twice 5 shilling coins as twice as 10 shillings. So it is 2x. The rest are 1 shilling coins. So 1 is equals to the rest. So we subtract the 21 from, we subtract the rest of the coins so that we can get the 1 shilling coins number. So 21 minus 2x plus x, this one, which is 3x, which is equals to 21 minus 3x. So this is the total number of coins, and when you add all the total number of coins with their value, we are going to have the value of 72 shillings. So if you multiply 10 by the number of coins, which we don't know which is x, we add the 5 shillings coins to get their value, multiply by 2x plus the 1 shilling coins 1 multiplied by 21 minus 3x is equals to 72. So here we're going to have 10x plus 10x plus 21 minus 3x, which is equals to 72. This is the equation that is going to give you the total number. So here we have 20x plus 21 minus 3x is equals to 72. So we put the like terms together, which is 20x minus 3x plus 21 is equals to 72. We take this to the other side. So here we're going to have 17x is equals to 72 minus 21. So when we subtract here, we're going to have 51. So 17x is equals to 51 is equals to 51. So that we can get the value of x, divide both sides by 17. So x is equals to 3. So the 10 shilling coins is equals to 3. And the 5 shilling coins is equals to 2x, so it is equals to 3 times 2, which is equals to 6. And the 1 shilling coins is equals to 21. You subtract 3x, and the x here we have so 21 minus 3x, and this x is equals to 3, which is equals to 12. So you add together this 12 plus 6 plus 3. The total number of coins is giving you 21. This is just to verify. And if you want to verify if your answer is very correct, you are going to find the value. So 10 shilling coins is equals to 30, and 5 shilling coins, 6 5 shilling coins is equals to 30, and 1 shilling coin each, which are 12 in number, is equals to 12 shillings, which is equals to 72. So this is how we go about this question. So find the number of 10 shilling coins that Mary has. So 10 shillings coins is equals to this one. This is the required. You can end your math here, but this is just to verify. Thank you.